Make ordering even easier with the MyAddressBook feature in your Beacon International MyAccount. This tutorial shows you how to create and manage multiple delivery addresses for your orders, saving you time and ensuring accurate shipping. On this page, you'll see your default billing address and shipping address. The shipping address is the one that will be used on the checkout page by default. To add a new delivery location, scroll down to the Shipping Address Book and click Add New Shipping Address. Simply fill in the address details and give it a clear name, like Site 2 or Warehouse. Once you have filled in your details, click Save Address. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see all the addresses you've saved in your Shipping Address Book, ready to be selected for this order. If you deliver to one place frequently, you can make the location your primary address. To do this, scroll down to the bottom where all your locations are stored and select Make Primary on the chosen location. That's how to manage your delivery addresses using the MyAddressBook. Be sure to check out our other MyAccount tutorials for more ways to save time and simplify your ordering.